Tables auto-expand formulas, charts, and named ranges when you add data. This single feature eliminates the most common spreadsheet maintenance headache. Press Ctrl+T on any data range to convert it to a table. Instant benefits, filter arrows, alternating row colors, auto-expanding formulas, and a named reference you can use in any formula. Instead of A2, a 100, table formulas use column names like equals sum, sales revenue. These references are self-documenting, never need updating, and automatically include new rows. Pivot tables connected to Excel tables automatically pick up new rows and columns. Charts auto-expand their data ranges. This means your reports stay current without manual range updates. I convert a regular range to a table and demonstrate 8 specific benefits: auto-expanding formulas, structured references, automatic formatting, total row, pivot table connection, chart auto-expand, slicer support, and Power Query compatibility. If you're not using tables, you're working harder than you need to. Convert your ranges today and subscribe for more Excel best practices.